my dope knows no bounds. You bootleg Dimitri. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hello, everyone. Oh yeah, I only disabled that for 5 hours, and that was 5 hours ago. So disable this again. Okay. Hi everyone. Sorry for this late night live, but I was so excited. I feel like if I didn't talk about it now, I'm gonna be dreaming about it and going crazy about it, and then like, y'all, did y'all see that? And then it's like, no, you were just dreaming. So I'm gonna do it now so I can have a nice peaceful sleep. You know, like release some of this energy. Yes. Like, okay, so as you guys know, we've been working with bentobuddy's developer, and he is like super amazing, and I love him. He's a nice froggy, and I just, oof, so happy. Okay, I'll tell you why. First of all, it's so great to have a developer who wants to work with you, and then when they work with you, they make adjustments and help you, and you're not being treated like you're a bother. And then even better when that program actually works and it solves so many problems at once. Oh my God, this is it. This is the thing that every animator has been waiting for Second Life if you retarget animations. I think bentobuddy alone, paying $20 for this is cheap considering what it can do. Okay, so if you look at my cat, she's doing this animation. And I'm sure it just looks like nothing to anybody, but if you played Final Fantasy X-2, then you should recognize it as LeBlanc's idle animation. I was able to take LeBlanc's idle animation and retarget it to the Second Life skeleton and upload it here in Second Life. That's right. I took Final Fantasy X animations and made them into Second Life animations. I've been trying to do that since 2014. Now it's done. So I'm going to try to do it again as a demo to show you just how great this feature that's inside of bentobuddy is and how easy it is to retarget animations. Because if we were to do this with Avastar, we would be here, like start it up now, and then we'll be here sometime tomorrow, and then it's wrong. So let me dive in and show you guys what's up. I'm like, how come nobody's watching? Like, because it's 2:55 in the god dang morning. Okay, so I'm going to scan through here real quick and try to find an animation that I can use. You can use any animation. Before, we just used, before we used the MMD animation, but I'm going to use Final Fantasy because I'm going to just be doing these all month. There goes my July. So I'm going to save this to my desktop. New computer, so my other one died. So I'm going to close that. No? No. I have no idea what that is about. So I got my Una. I'm going to convert this into a Una.de. Don't know why it didn't do that. And then I'm going to import it in. So this is the LeBlanc. This is the animation. What it looked like. And then that was me. I think this is the other one, not the... Oh, it is 24 frames. I got it like 5 frames faster, so it looks a little weird. I know it was a little off. I'll have to change that later. So I'm just going to get a new one, get this out of here. I'm going to put in Una. And please don't ask me where I got all those models and stuff from. I actually ripped it from directly from the game. The tools are stupid old and probably gone. Alright, so well, that's only her RX -90. Because, you know, of course, with me trying to do a demonstration of it, of course it's not going to work. Of course not. Why did that happen? Where's the rest of her? There goes my dream. Alright, let's see. Maybe we can try it again. Export model skinning in. Let me try the other blender, because I remember I had an old blender from back in the day. Hang on, it might drop. Oh, I was like, hey, that's... Okay. So you used to look that. Let me see. Doggone it, Una. Why can't you be like LeBlanc? Should have just opened up LeBlanc. I knew it was going to mess up. Wait. Is it 2? Yeah, there we go. Oh, there. But her head is weird, but everything else came in right, sort of, kind of. That is kind of weird, but hey, look, it's working, right? That's all we needed to do. How many? Huh? I wonder. I want to keep picking at it, but you know what? We're animators in here. We're 3D artists. Hang on, we can fix this. Let me find her face and weight paint real quick. Luckily, it's a very simple rig. Grab some paint and cover up her face, and there we go, right as rain. There we go. Now let's see how many frames. I think it was 30. 22, 24, 24. There we go. Nice. Only thing about Una is she's kind of missing an arm bone here. Oh boy. Again, every time you try to show off. Let's see. I'll save this. Alright, see anybody? Oh, is it laggy? Is it my back? Let's see what we have open here. There we go. That's a very big pelvis. It's just I'm missing a joint in here. Like, well, you know, we'll see. Let's see. What do we do? first, let me take all of this and export it as an FBX. Test unit. Then let's delete this. FBX usually comes in with a prettier skeleton, but hey, not in this case. Wait, there is a little teeny tiny bone in there. Teeny tiny bone. Let me see. Alright, anyway, so we lose one frame and we reset everything. Rest pose. Turn everything into normal. You know what? I wonder if Yuna has the same joints as LeBlanc. She doesn't. Which is weird because it's from the same game, so you would think she would have the same arm bone. But she don't. Joint 63, joint 34. In fact, I think it's reversed. It is reversed. Oh, dear. Square, you suck. Gotta get her into a T-pose, because bentobuddy don't like A's. They like T's. Alright. So we have the T-pose. I know this is, I need to make this, oh no, that just extrude. Yeah, I'm gonna make this bone smaller. This is gigantic. Alright, and then we gotta lock it into position. Surely it won't be like this with y'all's, because I'm sure when y'all have something, it'll be good. Alright, so one thing I learned is that bentobuddy does not like you to not have a T-pose inside here as the rest pose. If you change the rest pose of an animation, it's going to throw off the rotation and it'll make the animation break. So we're going to go to the 0 frame and we're just going to like 0 because it's empty, and we're going to just put a fake T-pose inside here and pretend like that's going to be our start. So once we have that set, we are just going to export this as another FBX. FBX, XBX, test unit 1. This is going to be so much fun. Wonder how far it is. Hello? Anybody out there? Is it still going? I'm trying to see. I wonder why I said I got poor connection right now. Everything else is... Let's see. Sorry, y'all, if anybody's watching this. I'm trying to get it to work. Oh, well, it seems to be streaming. Sorry. But we'll see what's going on. Keep going. Alright, so I'm going to open up Blender. 2.8. Hell is clearly frozen over. Alright, import Yuna and her dancing butt. mix it with our fake T-pose in here. I think we're ready to go. Uh-oh, I forgot. Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't... This is all different from what I'm used to. So, what I'm gonna do is actually save this as a test blend. I know I'm probably going all over the place, and that frog is probably watching us like, she is everywhere. You don't have to be so extra. Alright, there we go. I don't know where the thingamajig is that make your stuff X-ray in the new blender, so I just do it in the old one and then save it and then bring it into the new one. Our connection bounced back. Okay, so here we go. Una, and then we start using that bentobuddy magic that I'm just so TK for. Alright, so we have our model in, and look at our notes. Import model. Select skeleton. Make sure that this says viewpoint display in front. Gotcha. By default. Open up the animation tab. Then, let's see. Open up animation here and then do reference pose. Reference pose, reference pose. Here we go. I had to create one because if I do it just by doing this, it's going to put his arms down, and that's no. So, what we need to do is reference from pose, then create the reference. And the arm should stay up in T, which is what we want. Okay. Then, what else after that? Reference pose, by step T. Close the animation tab, open up the character tools, and then retarget motion. Choose the distance and set it at 0.54. Remember that one. Motion. Open character tools, return moves, 54. Then press action. Whoa, I'm so small. Alright, so we're going to take this and Una here, and we're just going to scale her down there, because that was gigantic. Okay. There we go. Let's see, what next? Scrub through your animation. I think I dunked up. Let me reset real quick. Because I think when I made her so big... Okay. She was just so big. I think I jacked that in a reference pose. You know what'll make this a lot easier? No, not that. Well, duh. Look at that. You can tell she's huge. Let me add in a second life. You know, when y'all do it, y'all won't have to do so much prep work. What you looking at? Oh. There we go. That's how tall she should be. And then reset the camera. And then let's get this out of the way. What was that about? Oh, it's unit 2. What's wrong? Okay, go to bed then. Why in the butts is this not saving? Oh. because I was zoomed in. Alright, let's try this again. Import the thing. It's already that is by default. Open this up. Put up bentobuddy. Go to animation. Reference post features. That is there. Select the skeleton. Create reference post from that. Create that as a reference post. Okay. Then we close animation and we go into character tools. Then the retarget motion. Set the distance to 0.54. Hit OK. Then we hit action. Oh, for my God, it's already with the. Duh.
Slow down. Do it.
I'm not rushing. I just don't know why it's not saving her being this tiny. Oh, yes, I do. Because when we saved that motion, we had rot scale. All right. Try it again. And if not, then I'm just going to hell with it. Grumble, 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 grumble. I can't tell if this is big or not. I'm just going to skip ahead just to see the scale. And then oh, look, it's the same size. Okay. Boy! Until it goes up there. Then it's not the same size no more. Now, hang on a minute. I think I remember something about this. I just don't remember what it did. There was a clean remove object animation. Then scale it down. Yeah, I remember. Froggy, I remember. We had to do this with the MMD thing. And it kept getting gigantic. Okay. Now let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you are okay. But I need to go to the kids' school. Hope you're still here when I get back. And is this new blender like? Oh God, I don't know. I don't use it. I only use it just for converting animations. Alright, so now what? Oh, let's go back to scrub through the animation. Select interactive. Where am I? I'm in character tools. Interactive mapping. Now this is the star. So before, if you were an Avastar, in fact, you know what? I'm just going to throw shade at Avastar because I'm going to do it right now. If you wanted to retarget an animation to what you call the second life, you had to open up, let me see, where is it? It's in here somewhere. See? Look at all that. Animation tools. You needed an Avastar on the field. Let me add one in here. So let's pretend we're going to use Avastar. And we wanted to transfer the motions through there. We would have to select this, then try to guess the maps, and it would never work. Look at all of these bones, then use the crosshair thing and try to click it to make it work. Like, alright, say we wanted nose left to be her ponytail. We had to click on this and then go into pose mode and then click on that and then here, click the bone, press this. And then it wasn't very fun. And we had no way of knowing what it would look like after we were done. After we did everything, we would have to hope that it would transfer over, which it really didn't. And then you would press transfer motion, and it would never work. Basically, it sucked. It sucked all kinds of ways, because we would put all that data into it, and then you would transfer the motion to it, press transfer motion. It would run, it would freeze, and then you had to wait for God knows how long for it to come back. And when it came back, it's like a 50-50 chance of the anything transferring, and then it could transfer wrong. And then you gotta go down the list again, because after you put it in there, it doesn't save it. So you have to add them back in there again. Push the button and figure out if it's gonna do it again. It's a pain. It made you not even want to try to retarget animations. And that is why this add-on is so good, because it has interactive retarget mapping, which I'm just going to demonstrate to you because it's so damn cool. So first you have your target. This is the second life skeleton, and your source, which is what we're going to copy the animations from. You simply click on the source first. The target, where you want the bone to go. So this leg. Then I want this and that, the source leg, and then you push add bone. Now watch. Something's happening. Alright, and we click the back leg here. We want to work with that back leg, add the bones. Same thing with the foot. Retarget that to this. Add the bone. Add the bone. And scrub through it. Look. Something's happening. That legs are moving. So you get to see what works with you and what doesn't work. So if we were to accidentally select her back leg to go say I have the back leg selected and I accidentally select the chest, and that's wrong. We don't have to wait 30 minutes for it to break. We could just whoops, my bad. Select this, select that, press add bones. And then there you go. Look at that. Is that not the best thing you have ever seen since sliced toast? Oh my god. And this works for any animation. Alright, let's get them hips going. I just gotta find out which one is her pelvis bone though. So I can click on here and press R and rotate things and see what's moving what. I think that's her pelvis, so this one and this one, and then we can scrub through it and see. No, that's not quite right. Oh, make sure we turn these on. There we go. That's moving and grooving. And just when I hear it, somebody but we ain't got that much copyright stuff left. Sugar butt, go to bed. I love you. I'll be in there soon. So I'm just going down here, doing the thing. I'm not sure how this is gonna work though, but we'll see. Yeah, it went down. Yeah. That's cool. Thanks for downloading it for me. Is this not the coolest thing ever? Avastar can suck it. Oh no, I just selected a thumb. Oh. That's just Nintendo. Snitching again. I think this is a head. M-head. Add bones. I don't know if she got a neck in there somewhere. Can't tell. I think this is her neck. We'll see. We'll fix it. And then there you have it. Look at that. Let's. One thing about the hands though is that they only have three hand bones. So I'm gonna have to edit that manually. But that's not a big deal. We have so many hand thingamajigs already. We don't really need. So let's see. She has 1, 2. I don't even know what to do about that. It's 3 hand bones, 1 in her thumb, and okay, so we'll just do hands later. So anybody. Cool, yeah? Bentobuddy. Alright, so we got that, we got this. And now we have it, and I don't know what to do next. I just kind of pushed the button and hope that was it. You may not even have to do this next step, but we'll figure it out in a minute when we actually get a good tutorial of this. So what I'm going to do next is, after you finish doing this, close this, and there was a button that says send to animation. Alright. Not sure if that works or not, but I pushed it before and it works. Oh. And yeah, no problem. Alright. So I'm going to export this. Go to animation 24 animate export. Unidance. Turn my priority up to 4. Loop the animation. I don't know. So let me see if it looks right at 1. Like, where does this start? Start at 1. Start at 1 frame, and then end at 23. Okay. Then you press export. Alright, so I'm gonna open up Second Life. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to do was, after we do all that retargeting, right? We can save it so we don't have to do that again every time we want to. Now, isn't that worth it? So we're gonna go back to, where was that character tools? Right here. And the map that we have, we're gonna save this map. And I'm gonna save it as Una FSX2. Because that's what it was. So now when we want to add in another Una, we can just load in the map and not have to do all that dance. And then it automatically retargets. We transfer it over. Everything is fun. But I kind of like playing with the automatic retargeting system. I think it's cool. I want to keep doing it though, but that is actually how you're supposed to do it though. Bless you. I said bless you. You better have. Alright. So here it is. Hopefully, I had a problem with the, what do you call that? Looping thing. But I think that was just chalked up to my stupidity. So let's see. Do this. Turn off my AO. Oh, my AO was off. There you go. Look. Is that not cool? That is so cool. So now we have Final Fantasy animations. So flippin' awesome. I can't even get over how cool it is. I want to play around some more and make maybe some sword animations and magic ones. Games where people actually have fingers. Oh my god, Second Life is going to be so much fun. This is one of those times where y'all may want to donate, so we can upload. Yes, upload more animations because y'all know how this is. Whew, I'm so excited. I want to make more, but it's already 3:27 and the husband's going to bed. So, and I know he'll leave the light on so I cannot fall into the room. So, being a wife calls. I'll see y'all in the morning where we can scream and fangirl about this. But totally pick up bentobuddy if you got $20 to spare, because it's I wish this was out years ago. I wish this was out forever ago when we were just ripping like crazy and I could remember how to rip animations from games great. Oh man, just think of all the dances, the animations, the mocap stuff we can do now. Like, I was working on mocap with the Kinects, but the problem was transferring the animations properly to the Second Life skeleton. And with this, well, it's just like Pandora's box has been opened. And, oh, wow. I can't. We can do stuff. We can animate in Second Life now. Everything is here for us. This is the key that we've been making. I can't. I keep throwing out. What are those references? This is the key. This is the everything. This is the it. $20 is not enough. That frog needs a tip box on the side of the buying, because $20 is not enough for this powerful tool. And please support them and buy it, because if you want to animate, I recommend nothing else. Throw your Everstar in the trash. Unless you're using it for rigging, then keep it. But if you're using it for animations, throw that in the trash. Pick up bentobuddy, because that was fast. Y'all saw that. Fast. Alright, one more. Yo, baby, I'll be in there in a minute, okay? One more. I feel like I should nope. It's one of those times where you wish somebody would pick you up and drag you away from the computer. Like, one more. I totally don't know where I saved that at. Let me see what it says. How dare you be relaxed? Alright, let me see. This is Final Fantasy X2. Let me see. Final Fantasy X had the better stuff. So who are we gonna find? I guess Tidus, because he has Yuna. Huh. One more. I didn't expect Yuna to be number one. I thought Tidus would be number one, hands down. There's even less geometry in it. And I definitely didn't expect Sir Aaron. Alright, I'm looking for Tidus. Number Kimari. Oh, well, we can do Kimari. You can't say no to Aranzo. So let's see. You know what? No, I don't want to do him, because that will require me to actually position something in my hand. I want something like a sword. I don't want Waka, because I ain't good at projectiles. He is so far down the list. Tidus. I thought he would be like number one or number 0. That's Yuna.
Main character.
You would think the main character would be number 1. He's all.
The main character is Booby Lady. Everybody else is the character too.
Seymour. Hold on, we're getting there. Albeda, Rico, underwater Albed gear. Wedding. Where the hell is this man at? Uh, hmm. Alright, last one, then we going back. Alright, it's Wedding Seymour, which is cool because I like to look at his clothes. I wanted to see how that looked. Alright, there's nothing even in here. And that crashed it. Alright, we're going back to Riku then. As Kimari. I wonder where he is. We'll have to search. Alright, that's Seymour. Alright, we'll use Rico. Yeah, this one is the one I like. Alright, so we'll use this one. If I can't remember what to do. And, you know, just cause. Alright, groovy. Let me just close that. And let's see. We need the old blender because the new blender too new for these old files. Open. No, that's not how you open things in Blender. Oh yeah, I didn't name it. Okay. Riku bounce. .daa. Oh no, I'm opening a Photoshop. Might as well let it. RX -90. Wait for Photoshop. It's a shame her, I wonder what's up with her scarf thing, but I guess it's cool. I won't need that in Second Life. Alrighty, so got that, got this. Need to select this and save as Riku bounce. Did I import that other one as a... What's the bone structure look like for you, for Rico? It's got the same... Nope, doesn't have the same name as Yuna. Oh, LeBlanc. I mean, that's fine. Close this. I don't think I need those. Where did I save that file at? Riku bounce. Discard. Just see if we can... Oh yeah, I forgot. There was something I needed to do. I don't know how to do that in a new Blender. Alright, so I'm here. We're on frame 0. Whoa! Pose mode, aim for this. G. Where's her arm? Middle. where's her middle arm bone? Because kind of sort of need that. I mean, before with Yuna, it was behind her. That's not even her arm. Oh, dingle. Alright, then we need to export this as an FBX because this is dumb. So, I learned that when I was working with Yuna, the bones were so messed up. And it was like, use this to correct it. I always do this. Where's FBX import? There we go. FBX always clears it up. NG. X-ray. As we find out, this isn't even an arm. So where's her arm? There's her arm. There's a middle bone. Yay! Hide that. So this is absolutely nothing. So hide that too. Them's her legs. This is again a series of nothing. Skeleton is quite silly. Alright. So these are all the important stuff. And hit save. Save as recoup out. Oh, dingle, I did it again. Ignore that cute cat one you see on your screen. So we'll go back to this and put this here. You know, I just thought about it, but I could just totally put it in the T-pose in the new one. But also, these are the straightest T-poses I've ever made. Let's see. Riku bounce. Bentobuddy. We need to go to animation. Or was it character tool? I feel like I'm missing a step, but I'm gonna find it first. So character tools, clean motion, remove object animation. Cool. That'll stop us from having that scaling issue. Then we went to animation, remember, and we did a reference pose from this reference pose and create a reference pose. Then we go to character tools. And it's funny, that frog said that too. If you're going to do it, you're going to see how easy it is, and you're just going to be retargeting like crazy. And I'm like, nah. He was right. 0.54. Action. Then interactive tool. Turn all the reds to greens. This, add bones, this one, add bones, add bones, bones. Alright, let's scrub through. Hands are moving. Let's make sure. Why is her pelvis all the way down there? Square. Keep being you. Junk bone. Junk bone. Alright, that's a neck. I think that's everything. What is this? Groin. She has the groin in here. I think it's that, really. So, is she... Actually, I wonder if turn that off. Huh. Now she said that I'm so used to saying she. He said that there was a problem, a little glitch that's going to be updated in the update, updated in the update. But what I want to know is, what am I not moving? I think something's moving her that's not moving this. I wonder what else is in here. What's this one? I think that should be the pelvis. And it's 24 frames. Oh, no, that's not 24. That's the frame. key is trying to figure out what the hey the pelvis is. That makes it bounce like that. See if anybody has anything to say about this. One more. Could it be this? Like, is that the pelvis? Nope, that ain't it. I like that it's very automatic. That's in there. Could it be that? Nope. Damn. Something is it? Like we can see it moving, but I can't see what's moving. Right, let's. You know, it'd be funny if I just clicked it. That's not even the. That's the. Damn it. You is this. Okay. That ain't it. For a moment, let's hide you. And dig into her body and see what's moving what. What's this? And that. What's this button do? It breaks it. But, wait. Oh yeah, I forgot about resetting the stage. Let's see. I wrote about that too. What did I do when I reset the stage? Let's see. Allows relative location. Like if we zoom this out, I don't even know what's going on with this animation. Like. Let's see. What happened with the read stage? Click put the buttons here. Maybe connect to update. One done, press save map. Okay. FFX Rico. Okay. Click and close the interactive target. When it's done, so you click and close this. Retarget mapping. Oh, we did that. Press reset stage and action. Load map. Where did I save those maps to? Do not save here. You will lose your stuff. Yep. Oh, man. It's fine. Let's see. Here. Well, at least we learned that now. Save map. Press that and let it explode. Oh damn! I done just it's gone. I don't even know what's happening. And the reset stage is blacked out. Well, I broke it. I was on a roll too. Close this. Oh, wait. Reset stage. It's so funny. It's like, do not save here. This will delete your stuff. What? Didn't I just save the map on my desktop? You know what? We should have left on the high note. I think I lost the map. No map for me. Where did the map go? Why didn't it save? Well, I broke it. Let's just end on that high note when we had Una working. We'll come back in the morning and look at it again. I'm sure that's something dumb that I did. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry I messed it up again, but you know how it is. It's not a Mighty Ginkgo stream unless I messed it up at the very end. Alright, I hope you guys have fun. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. And I hope you guys buy it because damn, that bento buddy is sweet. Make sure you check out Ben Bash's channel because the tutorials on there are a lot better than the tutorials I mean, after all, it's the developer, so of course they're going to have the better tutorial on the plugin that they developed. Alright, it's late. I'm going to sleep. See you guys later. See you in the morning, hopefully, and let's get those animations going, yeah? Night.